Put your lighters up if you want to. Pull your motherfucking Dodger cap over your motherfucking eyes till you can't see shit. I want you to go blind, nigga, so you can feel how I felt when I was in that motherfucking coat.
Days in the city of angels, we're safe and dangerous. Switch lanes so straight to drive slow.
Kings. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Coming fresh out the Pyrex pot. Black Air Force 2s and the white socks. Feeling on my forehead. Try me, go ahead. I bring out the polka dots, put Guame on your forehead. Yeah, it's the new king of everything. And bitches don't say no to me. I'm like a red ring. Maybe it's how I pour that Patrol. Maybe it's how I smell a pair of silky cologne. Maybe it's how I write shit when I'm in the zone. And I'm sick of blowjobs, bitch, leave me alone. Until I'm about to Dre and pick up a phone. Before I climb through his window like nigga, I'm home. Running the rock like OJ. Nigga, it's a